G'day guys and welcome. I don't know why the video is looking like this and I'm so sorry. I'm just taking you to our local choice or reject shop, I should say, which is sort of like the Dollar Tree and a ride home. I'm so sorry, the video is pretty crap. Whoopsie. Hi guys. Found this little bee. The bee like this one's quarter of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, one teaspoon, and they come like this. So there's a lot of bee stuff in here. Look at this. Oh, those little bees were $6. Look at this. A kettle. Well, where you brew your tea. It's beautiful. It's $16. I wonder if I could possibly zoom out. Don't know. Yeah. And it's got the little bee on top. Oh, if I thought I could get that home in one piece, I would get that, but I don't think I can. And then they've got these hand-painted mugs. These are, well, it says hand-painted on there. I think these ones are $5. Also says hand-painted, but that's a nice mug. If it was $5, I'll pop it in my lap. Anyway, so a lot of citrus things. So an orange. They had oh, hang on. So this is $6. It's just a bowl, ceramic. But then they have. They all say hand painted, but no. They're all too uniform to be hand painted. They've been sprayed. That was $12. But look at this. So it's an orange, and then it's got the squeezer up top. $8. Now I said I wanted a lazy Susan to sit on. And then I could just twirl around on it. Well, this is big enough for it. Except it's wood. It's $22. But look at it's plastic in there, so I think if I sat on it, that would just, whoops. See the plastic spinny? Yeah. I'd fall off that. Strawberry section. Strawberry teapot. So yeah, it must be a fruit themed shop, and yes, I can hear the music. So it doesn't actually say how much this is, but for instance, this little strawberry 3-pot, that's $10. My eyes are raised. Oh gosh, look at that. I better do that. It's a narwhal. This is $10. But yeah, I've never seen it like a plushy narwhal before. So huge plate made of melamine. It's a serving platter. But for my boys, it's a dinner plate. It's $6. I don't know how much this little guy is, but I'm going to get him. Little angel. I'm not sure how much she is either, but I'm going to get her. AAA batteries for those lights I got from Temu. We'll see. I'm not sure how much these are either. This is some hanging mushroom birdhouse, but it's way too little for the birds that are in my back garden. Okay, so I found some nails. I'm not sure how much they are. I've got a $25 limit. I've also found some, this is $6. So this is just a $2.50 eye pencil. Hey guys, how you going? I'm on my way home. It's like really like moving. I put my phone in a phone holder, but it's more shaky than what I am, so so sorry about that. So I was waiting in the chemist for all my scripts. Hang on. Here's my scripts. Shouldn't laugh, but oh well. But anyway, I was waiting in the chemist and killing some time because it takes like 3 hours for them to get ready. And the makeup lady in there was some 50% off Revlon. And anyway, long story short, she did my makeup. She did like this blush, and then she did eyeshadow, but she also did this she gave me some perfume. So I got this. It was half price, so it was $16, and that's what's on my face now. I look gorgeous. No. So it's just a matte Colour Stay Revlon full cover foundation, SPF 10. Well, you know, if I go out in the sun, you can't really see it. So yeah, let's see what sort of perfume. Daisy Dream by Marc Jacob. I've still got this because I've got to rub this stuff off my face. Daisy Dream. It's so teeny weeny. Oh, I don't want to waste it. Spray. There we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. Smell that. See? It had, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'll keep that because I will buy that in future. I will buy that. Alright, I better keep moving. So yeah, sorry about the jiggling. That's the phone holder that doesn't work. I managed to do my $25 challenge. Thank you. Oh, this is embarrassing, guys. I missed my car. But it's not safe to drive, so I don't want to kill anyone, so now it's a freaking mobility scooter. Oh well, I should turn you around and you can see everything jiggle around. Look at that sky. So it's August. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. So it's going to rain. I'm just looking around, trying to hear any birds. So I'll shut up. I heard that one. I'll turn you around. You don't want to see my ugly mug when you can see some beautiful Australian, well, yeah, it's very tree. This is a suburb. This suburb that I live in. Alright, so lots of trees. This is a school zone. That's a vet there, that pink one. I love like this big park. Look at this one. Look at this tree. Woo! It goes right up. As a kid, I would have been climbing that like there was no tomorrow. I should probably take this mount off because it's really not doing anything. I'm letting all your dogs here. Well, dogs in Australia are used to our Australian birds, but dogs overseas, I wonder if their ears are pricked up. Safety fence because there's a waterway just back there. Oh, trees. The rosellas seem really close. Oh. There's one. Oh, damn it. That was a galah. A galah. You missed it. Well, I missed it. In a couple of days, I'm going to take you up to where we used to walk Elsa. And you can see over the bay. It's really beautiful. You get to see the water, see some islands. It's about 10 minutes scooter travel. Oops, hang on, focus. Oh, damn it. I'm going to have to, hang on, I'll take it off this so I can span around so you can see the birds. I can hear cheeping over there. While I was taking it off, another big, where are you? I can't find, oh, there's one. I can see it better with my eyes. Maybe I should 2 times the magnification. Oh, there we go. But that bird's already gone. I'm going to have to try and edit this somehow. Otherwise, all you'll get is sky. And cars and trees. And a lot of shaking. Alright, this is the pathway. Duh. Oh man, I'm suck at this. Oh, that's really shaky. That was 7 times magnification. When I spot a bird or a koala, koalas are more near my place. I miss running. I miss being able to run. I used to be, did I tell you guys? I used to be a long distance runner. And now my son, this weekend, is it this weekend or was it a couple of weekends ago? I can't remember. Doing a full marathon. I think it's 46 Ks because the half marathon is 26 Ks. You're on that across. There's the birdie. Where are you? No. Every time I see a bird, they're too fast for me. Alright. Yeah, that's better. Before I forget, I want to thank you guys. I wouldn't be getting out this much if it wasn't for you. Well, I was out today because I had to go to the doctor again. Ugh, such a bummer. Got to have MRIs of my spine and my brain. That's such fun. Ooh, here's a plover. Hang on, I'll turn you around. Oh, hang on. All right, that's a plover. Now, when they have babies around, they attack. So hopefully it doesn't have any babies around. Otherwise you'll see me getting attacked, and that might be fun for you, but it won't be fun for me. So that's a plover. It's a ground bird. They lay their eggs in like ground level. And I'm shaking like there's no tomorrow. Let's see if he attacks me. He hasn't moved. There we go. One plover. Wonder what he's thinking, or she. He's probably thinking, is that mad lady on that scooter gonna run me over? Where'd you go, plover? Oh, I'm on the grass, so... Where'd you go, plover? Oh, my camera work really is bad. There we go. Pretty dull, like, looking bird in comparison to, like, the cockatoos and the rosellas. I don't... Alright, say bye, plover. You can see the little birds up there. They're sort of like a little finch. And they're the ones making that little chirpy noise. Okay, I got to cross the road, so going to pop you on pause. Don't want to really get run over by that. Oh, the blooming thing just went on again without me knowing. I wonder how long I've been recording. This is an electric scooter, and that's the battery gauge. Green, I'm doing okay. Yellow, sort of head home. Red, you're screwed. So I can see lots of birds up here. Oh, and dogs. Do dogs have accents, I wonder? There were birds up there, but they've flown. They've flown the coop. Why can't they be... Why can't they be like a Kardashian and pose for a stop and pose when they see a camera? I can't even... Well, there's something moving up there. Can't see what it is. My eyes really do suck. And that's as far as my phone is going to magnify. I wonder what that is. Okay, so it looks like there's some rosellas. There we go. Flying off. Flying too fast. Can't really see their pretty colours. They're a type of parrot. Play. Alrighty. I'll pop you on while I cross the street. Did I tell you already that Denny and I are going to go out, take you out again to another type of dollar shop this week? Or is it next week? Or is it this week already? It's this week already. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So that's something to look forward to. It's sort of dusk now. Meanwhile, this is our winter. And it's still light at, I don't know, might be pushing 5 o'clock. Alright. Well, I know I'm near home when we get to this wildlife crossing. And then over here we've got that yellow sign that says take care recent crossings, and it's got a big koala on it. But that's on someone's private property, so I won't be filming that. And there's many more trees. And there's heaps of birds. I can hear them, I just can't see them. And of course, Here comes the good old koala crossing up here, which always makes me laugh. Because when I was a kid, I was like, how do they know where to cross? Like, how do they know where to cross? So that says conservation area for wildlife next 1 kilometre, and that's just this road. And then the koala crossing, it's flashing be alert. And it looks like it's not doing anything. There's a car right in front of it. I don't know why. It looks like a koala. Oh, it is a koala. But then it comes up like a smiley face. Weird. And we've got a big park. Some swings. And just over that tree line, like that, I'm pointing as if those trees there, that's the water. There's a magpie. Yeah, there's a magpie. Now, I'm pretty sure Francesca said magpies in the UK are different. But I didn't get a good look at hers. Okay, so this dude's moving. Yeah, so just over that tree line. And I'll come here. I'll come to the... Where's the koala sign? There we go. It's solar powered. And I think that casts, I don't know how. Anyway. So we get kangaroos hopping across there. And koalas in these trees and these trees and in the backyard. Plenty of birds, as you can hear. I planted a native in our yard, in the backyard. So the rosellas will come and feed on it and nest in it. That's our post box, but it doesn't pick up any posts. You can't mail anything unless you go to the post office these days. It's really odd. Alright. Well, I'm about to turn into my street. Probably shouldn't show you that. Not that anyone would care. So, oh my son. So I'm in my street. We've got a little fence, like, blocking out. I don't know. I live in a cul-de-sac. We got a massive mango tree over there. I don't know whether I can show you houses. Don't know. I like these lights. This is a road. But these are the trees that have been planted by the council. So there's always plenty of wildlife in them. Then we've got the big gums over there. These are not native down here. So lots of trees. And lots of clouds. And there's that massive mango tree over there. Hey. I wish I could fit through that little door. One of my sons that came over actually noticed this. He really liked it. A little welcome mat. I have another mat that has a cat on it and it says something about, I can't really say it, so it's a little ladybugs. All right, I'm home, darlings. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. See you in the next one.